Hello and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm excited. Oh yeah, you know it. It's time to make some chili. It's cold outside and inside I'm hungry. So I want to make a chili, but it's not going to be just any chili. It's going to be a special chili, one that's near and dear to my heart. Why? Because it's from Ohio. That's right, Cincinnati, Ohio. They've got some of the most amazing chili from this place called Skyline chili. Have you heard of it? Oh, delicious. Savory, sweet, delicious, and it goes over pasta. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to make this regional, unbelievable, delicious treat. Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
Thank you for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to receive updates on future episodes as they come out. Also, consider becoming a Patreon, or if you'd like, purchase me a cup of coffee. Links in the description below.